Pretty much everything. I mean, I tried every sleep aid known to man over the counter. I even did Xanax for a while, and that worked for a short time, and then it no longer worked. So basically, melatonin, everything over the counter, sleep aid I tried, and it just didn't work. Because I think it was putting a Band-Aid on the issue. I started getting anxiety because of sleep. I wasn't getting sleep, so I created this anxiety around sleep. So I think the medication wasn't working because it wasn't addressing that. It wasn't addressing the anxiety around the sleep. It was just, sedating me, basically. Well, before I started working with Sleep Academy, it was pretty bad. That's why I came to the Academy itself. I was getting maybe 2 hours, 3 hours a night of sleep a night, if that. And that went on for about 4 months. I actually went 4 days with no sleep. So that was my point where I'm like, I need help. And that's how I found Sleep Academy. It's amazing. I'm getting 8 to 9 hours of sleep, good sleep. So I just feel wonderful. It's awesome. I would say that 2 to 3 weeks of being in the program and applying some of the methods that I've learned. So I would say about 2, maybe 3 weeks. It was amazing. The coach was amazing. She was just so thoughtful, and she listened to everything that I would, tell her, and just good. It was just like a really good feeling that somebody really cared about and wanted to help me. So I would recommend it for anybody. It was a great experience. Well, I think it saved my marriage. I think for sure that it was a big effect on my marriage because I was just crabby and tired and just not with it. So I feel like a new person. So it helped in every way, and everybody around me benefiting. Almost everyone I know. I think anyone, that's struggling with sleep and just haven't found the answer, there is hope, and I think so anybody who's struggling with sleep issues and it's ongoing, this is for them. Be patient. Be patient, be patient, have an open mind. It will get better. It won't be forever. It will get better.